Let's unwrap this eco-recycled paper mess. But here is the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold4. Well, hello there. Welcome to the Plug-in Duo. My name is Julio. Behind the camera is my wife, Christine. Today, we're going to show the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 5G. Let's get to it. Okay, so before we begin anything, we need our handy dandy blade and the package itself. Let's unwrap this eco-recycled paper mess. Wow, they really wanted to protect this. It's a good thing, I guess. And we hit jackpot. Let's see what came in the box. Since I pre-ordered the Galaxy Fold4, I got a pair of Galaxy Buds. Galaxy Buds 2, actually, for free. Nothing is better than free 99. Perfect. I got the standing cover with the S Pen. We'll see. I'm a fan of the S Pen. I don't use it much, but let's see. This is really cool. It's a super fast wireless charger duo, like the Plug-in Duo. But the cool thing is that you could put your phone and you could put your watch, and so they can both charge wirelessly at the same time. Having one of these, and again, this was free just from pre-ordering. But here is the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold4. Let's get to unboxing this bad boy right here. So before we get to the phone, let's see what came, and trust me, this is a beaut, I want to get to this. But, so we have here, ooh, wrong way. So we have here our USB-C to USB-C cable in black, our quick start guide in different languages, and our SIM removal tool. Perfect. But here is what we are here for. Wow. The Galaxy Z Fold4. I'm already impressed. Look at this. This metal housing, yeah. And this color, I'm really digging this color in beige. Before we do anything, let's unwrap this phone. Phone, beast, tablet, whatever you might want to call it. So let's do this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. My God, this this is beautiful. I love this. This is very, very nice with a matte finish right here in the back. And the case looks like it's, I could be wrong, but it looks like it's got some sort of polished champagne color. Really, really nice. All right, well, let's get to it. As you can see, we chose the beige model for this unboxing. It's such an interesting color. But first, we gotta do this. Let's fold. Oh yeah. Nice. Look at this. Amazing. Seriously, you would think that this phone would weigh more, but you know what? This phone is pretty hefty, but you can feel that this is quality. And see, here's the Samsung branding right here on the back piece. Very, very nice. Seriously, I know that this phone is pricey, but man, holding it, yeah, you could tell this is not just any phone. So let's start from the outside of the Fold4. We see the 6.2 AMOLED inch screen with 120 Hertz refresh rate with a resolution of 2316 by 904, and it has a density of 402 ppi, and it's covered with the latest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Definitely, there's some protection. Now, moving on to the inner display, is a 7.6 inch AMOLED, which is also at 120 Hertz maximum refresh rate for silky smooth motion on screen with a resolution of 2176 by 1812 resolution and a pixel density of 374 ppi. For the processor, the Fold4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor for fast and fluid task management while being power efficient with the 4nm architecture. This thing's a beast, just by looking at it. We haven't even turned it on. Next, memory. RAM is standard 12 gigabytes on all Fold4 models, whereas internal memory, you have the choice of 256 gigabytes, 512, or all the way up to 1 terabyte using UFS 3.1 memory. Note, the 1 terabyte model is an unlocked model exclusive. As for the software, the phone comes out of the box with Android 12 software. So that is really good. That is running Android 12 without having to wait for an update. Now, as far as the sound, if you notice, the Galaxy Fold 4 features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos sound enhancement for amazing sound. For the cameras, let's take a look at all the cameras all around the Fold. So again, let's start from the outside. Starting here on the outside display, you have a 10 megapixel whole punch selfie camera. Then on the inner display, we have the next camera here on the inner display, which is a 4 megapixel camera that is under the display. When the display is lit, the pixels are lit, so they hide the camera when it's not in use. Now to the 3 cameras on the back of the phone. And I can't stop doing this. I love that sound. Starting from the top, we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, followed by a 50 megapixel wide angle. And last of all, a 3 times optical zoom camera with a 10 megapixel sensor. Lots of options. And of course, you have your flash right there. I love this color. I can't stop talking about it. I love this color. As far as the battery, the Fold comes with a 44 milliamp hour battery. There are several options on how to manage the power of this battery. The phone is able to be charged using the available optional 25 watt super fast charging brick. You also have wireless fast charging 2.0 standard. Or you also have the option, which is great. I really wish more devices across all brands would feature this. You have integrated reverse wireless charging to charge what have you, smartwatches, earbuds, even other phones that have wireless charging enabled. So if you have a charge on this device, your friend or your spouse is running low and there's nowhere to plug in, you can literally just put the phone next to each other and you can wirelessly charge their device. As far as on the hardware, on the rest of the smart features of the phone are a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Also, for the frame, it has an Armor aluminum frame for tough and sturdy durability. And wow, is it sturdy when holding this. There's no creaks, there's no rattles. This is one solid device. And all of this, the phone is IPX8, which means that it's water resistant. So you can concentrate on the moments that matter the most instead of worrying, oh my God, is it sprinkling? Oh my God, is it gonna get wet? No, it's protected. Even the hinge, it's so thin. It's great. As far as the phone colors, there's different choices for everyone. There's the phone colors as of right now are gray green, phantom black, and this one, which is beige. There's also an exclusive burgundy color, but that is exclusive only to the unlocked model. For such a beautiful phone, you want to protect something this costly and this beautiful. So before the phone came, I got this case from Spigen. This brand has been around for a long time, and I thought, okay, let me give them a try. I've heard a lot of good things, but I do gotta say, this is not what I expected. For this case, this is like really, really thin plastic. I was hoping that it would have some rubberized corners for protection, but no, it doesn't. Especially what I was mostly disappointed is, I don't know if you can see right here, this black areas. That's adhesive strips. If you want to attach this to your phone, you literally have to put adhesive strips so it stays on your phone. I'm sorry, but I really, really don't like that. I don't see the point.
How would you put that on there?
This one, you would slide it from here. You would slide it on down this way. But I'm sorry, but this, in my book, this does not mean protection. And if you ever need to take your case off, yes, they give you some extra strips for one time. But if in case you have to remove it for whatever reason once more, you gotta buy more adhesive strips. I'm sorry, but this is a no-go. On the website and even on the photos, it did not talk anything about these adhesive strips being needed or required. But for me, this is a deal killer. This is going back. So this was about $30 from Spigen, like I said. Right now we're about to see if the Samsung original case is any better. But as far as this Spigen case, would I recommend it? I would not. It's going back. So this is the case that came for free from Samsung, and I wanted to get the sand color to complement the beige on the phone. So let's see if this one does any better. And what I like is that this one actually includes the S Pen. By the way, you need a special S Pen. Do not try to use the S Pen from your Note on this screen or you will ruin it. The S Pen is made so that the tip retracts when you are on the screen, so you don't leave marks. Very, very important. Okay. Here's the case. So the case is definitely a little bulky. I'm not going to deny. It looks like you put it without the use of adhesives. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. Here's those strips again. Adhesive right here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these. I really don't like the idea of sticking things to my phone so they can stay in place. Oh well. So right here is your S Pen tip puller, and right here your S Pen. So again, this S Pen is different than the regular ones because this one, the tip retracts. It retracts, but it doesn't retract as much. It looks like it almost looks like it's got felt or something at the tip. But yeah, it's a little different. It feels really nice. By the way, you could have either the standing cover or you could have the S Pen cover. See, if you don't want the standing cover, you slide this on, and all of a sudden, the same case just became an S Pen case. And you can put your phone and it props it up. And what's really cool for your case, again, you just pop this back off and you put this on. And what's cool is that this is very unassuming, but look, there you go. So if in case you want to prop up your device, you can do that. It's really nice that it's modular and that you can choose whether you want the S Pen or the propping up case. So it's really nice. But having said that, this adhesive, again, it's a deal breaker for me. So I got it for free, so I'm not gonna complain, but am I gonna use it? Probably not. I've already put an order for a TPU case, which is a jelly case, and it holds on, as far as I know, without any adhesives, and it's really thin. So I'm gonna, for a couple of days, this puppy's going naked. So good luck to me. Hopefully nothing happens with this bad boy. Before we end this video, let's press and hold the power button. There we go. The crease on this is actually not bad at all. It's pretty flat. I mean, you can still feel it, you can still see it, but honestly, you can barely see it. Let's do a bonus content, just for reference. So here is the Fold4 folded. Here's the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, definitely there's a difference with the thickness, the cameras, but as far as the screen size, there is no comparison. Definitely this one's taller, but this is a mini tablet that you could take with you. And since we're talking about foldables, we brought in the whole family. Each one has their own features. The S Pen, folding the device. The Fold4 is set to go on sale on August 26th for $2,009.98 full price at the time of this filming. Incentives may vary per carrier or promotions. Right now, if you pre-order, you can get double the internal memory for free when you pre-order. So thanks for joining us in this quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold4. We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the full device review soon. And if you have any questions, reach out and leave a comment. Hope to see you guys soon on the next one. You guys have a good day. We'll see you guys. Bye.